Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto. Today we're working on this 2012 Chevy Equinox. We have multiple listings for parts of this vehicle. Why don't you go to the webpage and check out what we have for your car at 1aauto.com. This is a plastic cover over the steel arm with the wiper blade is mounted underneath here. There's two tabs on top and bottom. You just give it a little spread and lift up. There's another tab here midway that loops under, so we're going to slide it forward and lift up on it. That's the tab. And there's the two ears in the back. Now we're going to replace the cover. The same, I have to guide that in first. So put the nose in first until it finds the spot. Slide it back. Done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.